In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo in Zoho CRM Invoice. By the end, your invoices will look more professional and clearly reflect your brand, and the best part is that it only takes a couple of minutes. Let's start inside your Zoho CRM account. First, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the setup icon. This is the small gear symbol that opens all of your main configuration options. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the setup menu. Whenever you want to change anything about how your CRM behaves or looks, this is usually where you'll begin. Once the setup page opens, you'll see a number of sections and settings. What we want to work with is your company information, because the logo you add here will automatically be used in places like invoices. In the left-hand or main navigation area, find Organization Settings, and under that, click on Company Details. This section controls your official company profile inside Zoho CRM, including your name, address, and of course, your logo. When you're on the company details page, you'll notice that most of the fields are locked until you choose to edit them. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Edit button. This will unlock the fields so you can make changes. You don't have to touch anything else if you're only updating the logo, but it's a good moment to double-check that your company name and other details are accurate, since they also appear on invoices. Now, look for the area labeled Company Logo. This is where you'll upload the image that will appear on your invoices. Click the Browse button. A file picker window will open, showing the files on your computer. Select the logo file you want to use. Zoho CRM supports common image formats like JPG, PNG, and GIF. For best results, choose a clear, high-resolution version of your logo, but not a file that's extremely large so it loads quickly and doesn't look blurry or stretched. After selecting the file, you should see a preview or at least the file name indicating that it's been attached. Once you're happy with that selection, scroll down if needed and click Save. This step is important. If you forget to save, Zoho CRM won't store your new logo. Once saved, your updated company logo will be used wherever Zoho CRM pulls from your company details, including your invoices. You can open or preview an invoice template to confirm that your new logo is displaying correctly. If it doesn't look quite right, you can repeat these steps and upload a better-sized image until you're satisfied with how it appears.